Have you been wondering how to capture your PS5, PS4, and Nintendo Switch game audio or party chat audio? Have you been looking for cables left, right, and center on different websites? Well, look no further, guys, because today I've got the Elgato Chatlink Pro, and this product is going to solve all of your problems. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another HyperX Room video. And in today's video, guys, we're going to be answering your question is whether you guys can capture your PS5, PS4, and Nintendo Switch game and party chat audio, guys. This is going to be the product that's going to fix all of your solutions when capturing game audio and party chat audio. So what this allows you to do is essentially connect this cable into your capture card and into your controller. Therefore, when you do record or stream your next game, it will allow you to capture all your game chats and your party chat, regardless if you're crossplay or not. So let's get through the unboxing, guys. So this is the side of the package. As you can see in the box, it contains the actual cable itself. It is an extremely large cable. It's around 250 centimeters or 98 inches of cable from one end to the other. At the back here, as you can see, it says stream or record PS5, PS4, and Nintendo Switch audio. It eliminates that hum and buzzy noise that you get from when you plugged in your headset and you're charging your controller, and you get that that buzz or that hum. It will completely eliminate that as long as you turn on the actual oscillator on. It's an all-in-one solution, so this essentially is a fix to obviously allow you guys to obviously hear your friends through party chat or game chat. Obviously you have freedom of movement, so what that means is obviously because the cable is so long, it also allows you to move around, you know, stuff like that. And obviously it has high quality construction. So unboxing the actual cable itself, the first things that you're gonna see is, let's put this out, there we are. So first things first, I like the way they've packaged it. I believe Elgato is trying to find a way to become 100% recyclable, and this is the way forward. But as you can see here, here's an actual diagram of what you guys need to do in order for you to stream, capture, and record obviously your gameplay. So as you can see here, the first thing you need to do is grab your controller of choice, so whether that's PS5, PS4, Xbox, or even Nintendo. Plug in one end into the actual controller. You're gonna have a female jack for where you need to connect your 3.5mm jack into it. So this only works with 3.5mm headsets. It does not work for Bluetooth or USB. And then you have an oscillator itself, and then that ends of that cable will connect into your capture card, or if not, to your line in PC. If you guys obviously enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe as well. And then if you guys would want for me to show you a video of how to actually fully set this up, if you do want to stream for the first time, or if you want to start getting into streaming as well, let me know down in the comments below. So opening this packaging over here. Oh, I've done this wrong. So I'm going to talk about the features about this cable itself. So this cable right here, guys, as you can see, is what you'll need to obviously start capturing and recording your game chat, party audio while you're streaming or recording. So what I mean by this as well is, so if I start untangling the actual cable itself, I will say that this is an improvement to the original Elgato Chatlink cable. The difference is between the original and the Pro version is that with the Pro version you get a braided cable, so obviously it can withstand a lot more stuff, whether that's pulling and tugging, and obviously it's just you know, the durability on this is going to be a lot more better on this as well. Like I said, guys, so this cable is 250 centimeters long or 98 inches in length. It does have a gold plated ends to it, so you do know that, you know, when you're plugging in and out, sometimes the cable degenerates, but with the gold plating it's going to be a lot more lasting a lot more longer as well. So what I mean here, guys, is so obviously you connect this part into your capture card or line in within your PC. This side will go straight into your controller, and then your controller's headset will connect through here. And then once you've connected it all, log on to your Streamlabs OBS or OBS in itself, click on to the settings of your video capture device and make sure it's on analog, and there you are, guys. So that's going to be the fix for you to obviously get for you to capture game audio or party audio. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe if you guys haven't as well, and comment down below, guys. Do you actually want me to make a video of how to successfully stream or record gameplay on your PS5, PS4, or whatever? So yeah, this is HyperX Ruben here.